Hi, I'm Ken Holtman, and I would like to introduce you to the new messaging feature that is going to be a standard feature of all our 8400 device phones. This feature is based on an instant messaging client that we developed for the phone, and it utilizes the Microsoft OCS server to provide messaging services as well as presence information. The service that we're providing supports the standard forms of messaging that you're familiar with already. We deal with unattended message transfers that you may already be familiar with from your cell phone messaging. And we also deal with interactive sessions that you're also familiar with from the instant messaging clients, such as the Microsoft communicator that we use here in the office. For the demonstration here, we have 4 clients registered to the Microsoft server. We have 2 8400 family phones. We have a simulator running the 8400 software, and we have a Microsoft communicator client. I can demonstrate for you what happens now for a user that wants to send a message to the phone. In this case, the phone is user 5. From the Office communicator client, I can initiate a session to user 5, and I can send a message. That message appears on the phone as an incoming phone call. Now at this point, the user of the phone can elect to either deal with that as an interactive session, or the user can completely ignore the incoming call or reject the incoming call. And in any of those cases, the incoming message will be stored in the phone, and an indication will show up in the status line area of the phone that shows that a new instant message or new message is available. If, however, the user decides to answer this call, then he goes into an interactive session. And at this point, the behavior is similar to what you see with the instant messaging client. So I can send messages back right away, and it's a complete interactive session at this time. So messages typed here show up on the phone and so on. When this session terminates, either the communicator can terminate the session, or the user on the phone. If at this point the session that was established has been also stored in the phone in addition to seeing it on the screen. So the user can come back at a later time and go to the messages area, to the instant messages, and view the sessions that we've already been looking at.